Imagine stepping into a bathroom that exudes opulence and sophistication. A space where every detail is crafted to provide an unparalleled luxury experience. Welcome to the world of luxury wash basin designs. From sleek and modern to classic and elegant, these luxury wash basins redefine the art of bathroom design. Crafted from the finest materials, each basin is a masterpiece of craftsmanship and style. Exquisite materials, such as marble, granite, and quartz, create a visually stunning focal point in any bathroom. The perfect blend of form and function. Choose from a range of stylish configurations, wall-mounted, countertop, or pedestal. Each design tailored to enhance the luxury aesthetic of your bathroom. Experience the cutting edge of luxury with advanced technology features. Sensor-activated faucets, heated basins, and more, every detail designed to pamper and indulge. From renowned designer brands to bespoke creations, every luxury wash basin is a testament to exceptional craftsmanship and design innovation. Elevate your bathroom to a sanctuary of luxury. Discover the art of luxury wash basin design and experience the epitome of sophistication. Follow for more innovative interior design ideas.